Our next term is bolt.
Bolt.
Yes.
Okay, that's what plants do when conditions are right, environmental conditions are right to make them set seed. And we usually think of it as the cool weather plants like the mustard greens.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah,
exactly.
Mustard greens, you know, they will bolt when the temperatures get higher, the days get long. They will automatically, their little clock tells them that they've got to set seed and die. Coriander, cilantro, you know, is a cool season herb that we grow. And it will bolt as soon as it gets to be hot weather, meaning that it will turn from vegetative to reproductive and go into the seed stage and then die. Okay. So that's what that means.
Is there any way you can slow that process down?
Not really. You could cut the seeds or the blooms off, but the very next tissue coming out is going to be a bloom. So,
makes sense.
You know, basil is the same way. People will say, oh, I can't use my basil because it's flowering. Well, then you can't keep it from flowering, no matter how often you cut it. Next thing it's going to do. That's what annuals are programmed to set seed and die.
And die.
Yeah.
Annuals, right.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.